Can't say I saw this coming. Instagram has brought back the reverse chronological feed, meaning you're able to browse a feed where the most recent posts are at the top, and the more you scroll, the older the posts are. To access this reverse chronological feed, tap the Instagram logo up top, and you're presented with two options: following and favorites. Tapping following opens up a separate feed just of the people that you follow, and the posts are in order, sorting from newest at the top. The reverse chronological feed is back. It's here. But you probably noticed that all the stuff up top disappears. You can't access stories, you can't access your activity feed or DMs. It seems like Instagram doesn't really want us to be browsing this way, otherwise they would let us change the home feed to this reverse chronological feed instead of burying it in a menu. And then the other option, favorites, is a list of accounts that you specify, and you'll only see posts from those people in this feed. So let's say you want a really curated list, I don't know, of your favorite YouTubers or maybe the Los Angeles Lakers in a specific feed. It's like Twitter lists, basically. Now, I personally won't use this, but it might be for you. I think Instagram is well aware that people missed just opening the app and seeing the newest posts at the top. That's probably why they brought it back. Instagram also knows how crowded the home feed is now, and they've started injecting posts, similar posts from people you follow, content you've interacted with. It's busy. Instagram also wants to keep us in the app as long as possible. There's so many videos now. There's a dedicated Reels button. Stories are right up top. I mean, you get it. You probably browse Instagram also. But if you're like me, there's definitely posts from your friends that aren't huge creators that you might have missed because the algorithm thinks you didn't want to see them. And that is a great use case for this reverse chronological feed. But again, you can't change the home feed to default to this. It's honestly crazy that Instagram brought this back. Now just let us make our home feed the reverse chronological feed the way it was, but that'll probably never happen. And look, if you enjoy posting to Instagram or just using the app in general, I've got a handful of tips and tricks, Instagram story hacks videos that you might find useful. This one in particular that I uploaded 3 years ago is about to cross 8 million views, so give it a watch if you want to learn some good Instagram story tricks. This video and more of my Instagram focus videos are linked below that subscribe button if you want to check them out. My name is Sam Sheffer, and please smash that like button on your way out before you watch one of my other videos. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the live streams. That's right, if you didn't know, I'm live on YouTube Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. Eastern to noon Eastern, right here on this YouTube channel. Shout out to everyone that's been watching so far, and as always, thanks for watching.